Hello, I'm glad to welcome you on our YouTube channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on Windows 11. So to take a screenshot, you should at once press buttons Windows, Shift and S. This will provide us to this new mode of taking screenshots, and you can choose any area of display by holding a left mouse key and choosing the area of displays that you find interesting or important. Then you should release your left mouse key to take a screenshot. And you will have your screenshot here in the Snipping Tool. If you want to save a screenshot, you can click on this menu of Snipping Tool, or click here in the right bottom corner on the taskbar. Here you will have your Snipping Tool. Click on this, and you can do with your screenshot anything you want and anything you could do in any visual editor. To save a screenshot, you can click here, Save As, or click Ctrl+S and choose path of your screenshot. Maybe it will be on the desktop, and name it Screen 3. So here we have our new screenshot. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and have a good day.